Trying to lose weight but always hungry? You're probably skipping the one nutrient that actually keeps you full. Step 1. Start your day with protein. Begin breakfast with eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein shake. Studies show high-protein breakfasts reduce cravings later in the day. Step 2. Make protein the center of every meal. Build your plate around lean sources, like chicken, fish, tofu, or lentils, before adding carbs or fats. This helps you automatically eat fewer calories while feeling satisfied. Step 3. Snack smart, swap chips or sweets for protein snacks, like nuts, jerky, or cottage cheese. The goal isn't just to eat less, it's to stay full longer. Step 4. Maintain muscle while losing fat. When you're in a calorie deficit, your body burns both fat and muscle. Protein protects your muscle mass, keeping your metabolism higher and your body stronger. Step 5. Track your intake. Aim for about 0.81 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily. You'll see better body composition, fewer cravings, and a steady energy curve throughout the day. Protein isn't just food, it's your fat loss insurance policy. Build every meal around it, and your body will thank you. Subscribe for more science-backed nutrition strategies.